Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fantastic Kia Ceed 1.0 T-GDi 2. Now this vehicle has currently done 16,976 miles and it's finished in the colour Arctic White. Now this lovely hatchback comes with one previous service. It's a very lovely example. It does sit nicely on 16-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. In the boot you will find 395 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,291 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your lovely two-tone cloth interior with the nice pattern in the centre of the seats. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you will find the leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, moving around to your front seats. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. To the left of the steering wheel here, you've got controls for adjusting the infotainment system. To the right you'll find your cruise control, along with controls for the display that you have in the instrument cluster. On this display you've got access to your driving data, including a digital speedometer and your average fuel consumption. There's also our vehicle settings, including your driver assist features. The vehicle does come with forward and lane safety, features that will keep you nice and safe while you're on the road. There's also settings for adjusting features such as your lighting, your door locking. There's also a driver assist display and quick access to your driver assist settings. In the centre of the dashboard here you have your touchscreen infotainment system. Now on the system you've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio in the media section. You've got USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. The system provides you with instructions on how to connect your device up to the system. There's also Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, allowing you to easily pair your smartphone up to the system and safely make hands-free phone calls and texts using voice command. There's also access to all applications, and here you have your settings for the system. This Kia does come with rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera to make parking that bit easier. Underneath the display you'll find your air conditioning, which is very straightforward to use. Below you have your USB connectivity along with two 12-volt sockets, and in the centre console you'll find your 6-speed manual gear selector.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.